When you're in construction, you can actually see what you've done today. You've accomplished something. It's much more tangible. The entire purpose of the event is to introduce high school kids, rising seniors, folks getting ready to go into the workforce, to the construction trades. The thought process is you don't have to go to college or sit in front of a computer screen to make a living and feed your family. You can have an honest-to-God career in the building trades, and we need you.
So we invite primarily juniors and seniors in high school, but really can be open to any member of the community that's over 16 that's looking for a job or to learn more about careers in the trade industries. So we had, people forming up concrete yesterday, people doing some flooring and tiling, really just looking to give them an experience. And this is a time for them to ask questions too. Like I think we had, really good opportunity for kids if they were interested in something to ask a professional what it's like. What's it like to have, a day in the life of a roofer? What could you expect to make and earn in a year? What are some of the hazards? What are some of the tools you need to have? Those kind of things.
So I originally wasn't sure about coming today, but then I thought of the fact that I could learn some things. And even though I'm not coming into the program when I graduate from high school, I still would like to know how to wire my house and what to do with the paint and everything.
What we're really trying to show up is the potential for growth that exists in these trades and the kind of lifestyle you could have. I think sometimes just going through school, there's this mentality okay, I need to graduate, I need to go to college, I need to go on and prepare for a career. But you can actually prepare for a career now or learn a valuable skill that you'll have the rest of your life.